Hey yo peeps, how are you all getting on? This is your boy Popsy from Future Shock Studios and welcome back to yet another video. And today we're going to be looking at the Andycine X5 5.5 inch 4K touchscreen monitor, which I'm using right now. There it is. It's a 1200 nits high bright camera filled monitor made from CNC aluminium, or some call it aluminum. And it comes with a bunch of accessories to get you going straight out of the box. So with that being said, let's go and roll the intro. The Andycine X5 5.5 inch 14cm monitor bundle version arrives in this well-packaged box, providing plenty of information all around. Upon opening, you'll obviously find the awesome Andycine X5 5.5 inch 4K HDMI touchscreen monitor in a high-quality zippered carrying case that conveniently holds all the provided accessories in a single place. Inside, you'll find a HDMI to a HDMI cable, a micro HDMI cable, a hot shoe mount, a Type-C to a USB-A adapter, a F550 battery with a dedicated USB Type-A to C charging cable, and finally the X5 user manual and an info and qualified certificate card. And the Andycine X5 4K touchscreen monitor will set you back around $159.99 in the UK and $169 US. All prices correct at the time of filming this video. As always, I'll drop the links in the description down below. And it's also worth visiting their website Andycine.com for more information about the X5 monitor and all the other lineup of amazing camera accessories. Moving on, let's go and check out the build quality and the features. When it comes to build quality and features, the build quality feels rock solid with all metal buttons that deliver a satisfying tactile click with every press. The Andycine X5 monitor is an impressive compact 5.5 inch 14cm monitor with 4K HDMI input and output at 60p. It features a HDR sensitive touchscreen LCD with a native resolution of 1920 by 1080, giving it a 16:9 aspect ratio. The display boasts a high brightness of 1200 nits and supports hybrid log gamma HLG for enhanced dynamic range. As for the image controls, the X5 includes a comprehensive suite of image control tools such as anamorphic D-squeeze options for 1.33x, 1.6x, 2.0x and 2.0x mag with the ability to set a custom D-squeeze. Other features include a full range of necessary auxiliary functions such as check field, false color, histogram, image flip, freeze, overscan, pixel-to-pixel zoom, screen markers, vectorscopes, and even waveforms. As for the built-in design, weighing just 0.5 pounds, which is around 249 grams, the monitor is constructed from durable CNC machined aluminium chassis, ensuring a rugged and lightweight build. The video I/O ports. On the left side, you'll find the HDMI 2.0 input and output, along with a DC in 12 volt. The bottom houses a DC out 8 volt, a 3.5mm headphone port, and a DC in 8 volt Type-C. Moving on to the mounting option and controls. The X5 features 3/4 inch 20 mounting points on the top, bottom, and the right side for flexible rigging options. The power button, finished in a sleek red, is on the right side, while the top has 4 all-metal buttons, 3 customizable and 1 for the menu, conveniently placed on the top right. At the rear, there's an NPF battery plate with a well-placed release button for quick swaps. As for the additional features, the X5 monitor comes with a built-in cooling fan and air vents on the top, back, and right side. Swipe up or down on the right side to adjust volume, and on the left to control backlight. Pinch in and out to zoom, and tap the screen to exit menus. Navigating the menu system with the logically laid out menu system couldn't be easier. Pressing the menu button opens the main menu, divided into 5 sections: assist, marker, image, user option, and system. Each section contains submenus for further customization. In the assist menu, you can enable or disable all waveforms from vectorscope, histogram, focus assist, embedded audio, overexposure warnings, check field, and false color. The marker menu lets you customize grids, save frames, center markers, and ratio markers with adjustable colors. The image menu allows you to tweak scan mode with aspect ratios, anamorphic settings, image flip, zoom with pinch to zoom support, image freeze, and pixel to pixel mode. The user option menu lets you import 32 custom LUTs, allowing you to preview a film look during shooting, toggle HDR, adjust display settings and color calibration, and even assign shortcut keys for quick access. The system menu includes user switch settings, giving you 4 presets and up to 11 languages, OSD adjustments, volume control, cooling fan settings, factory reset, and firmware updates. So as you can see, I've got the Andycine X5 camera field monitor in my hand, and I am running it with an extended HDMI cable, as you can see, with an extended USB cable. And there's the USB-C port at the back. And as I mentioned, you've got the cooling fans on the top, a couple of vents there, and you've also got a vent there. And I do really like this on and off a red metal switch here. And one of my favorite features about the X5 monitor is how responsive the touchscreen is. Just check this out. It just works amazingly well. So I recently took the Andycine X5 field monitor on an outdoor night shoot, and I have to say I much preferred using this monitor, look at the size of it, in comparison to that monitor, which is the camera monitor. So all in all, I really do enjoy using this monitor. Okay, so this is my user buttons here that I've got. So if I press 1, that brings my waveforms up. If I go to number 2 up here, it brings my peaking levels up. That's my other monitor from the camera. You can see the peaking levels there, really responsive. And my third one is my anamorphic D-squeeze. So what would you rather have? A film monitor that looks that size, or a film monitor that looks that size? That's the size of my camera monitor, and that's the size of that. So I can actually see the background exactly how I visualize it. Okay, so now that you've seen the unboxing, the build quality, and the features, let's go and wrap up this video with some final thoughts. So the Andycine X5 is a feature-packed camera monitor designed for filmmakers and content creators who demand precision in their workflow. With its robust build, high brightness, advanced monitoring tools, and intuitive touch controls, and not forgetting you get a 1-year warranty. The X5 has become my personal go-to camera monitor for both in the studio and for outdoor shooting. So finally, would I recommend the Andycine X5 4K touchscreen monitor to you? Absolutely yes. 100%. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you got any questions, drop me a DM on my Instagram at FutureShock Studios. So anyway, peeps, that's all you're going to get from me for today. Hit that like button if you enjoyed the video. Smash it if that's your kind of thing. Subscribe if you aren't already. And I shall catch you in the next video.